Patima, Patima, Patima. Since I am Amerikanyo, kami ay
Lumipad kasama ang aming team. Di umano,
we will eat in the Taste of Cha-Cha-Cha. It is near in the Marikina Municipal Hall. They already have 4 branches, one here in Marikina, SM Santa Mesa, Manila, SM City San Mateo, and SM South Mall. Recently, they offered a store here in SM Masinag. When we first entered into the cafe, the staffs greeted us with a warm smile and they quickly offered us drinks after we find a place to sit.
참 예쁘다 하지만 이런
They handed us this tablet. It is their menu for us to choose what to order. It is nice because we can see the product with its photos for us to see what we will order.
크고 작은 고민들에 걱정하지
They offer wide variety of foods starting from starters to main dish and to desserts.
멋진 날들을 우린 찾아가고 있잖아 시작해봐 앞으로 힘이 들땐
The place is very nice and aesthetic. It is quiet, cool, and Instagrammable. This is our order, which is the Lomi platter, good for 3 to 4 persons. For the rice meal, we ordered the Blue Patis burger steak with carrots, corn, and peas for side dishes.
나처럼 흔들려
For the dessert, we ordered 4 donuts of chocolate pistachio, almonds, velvet cream cheese, and Biscoff.
까지 사랑해봐 끝까지 너의 꿈이 날아 저 별보다 빛나는 너의 웃음을 듣고 싶어 꿈이 먼저일까 사랑이 먼저일까 그 사이를